Arun Parabhav Manchapeksha, I will say that it is basically miscalculation of the party, which somehow I feel is the reason for this debacle. Firstly, not understanding Goan people's mindset and aspiration. गोंयकार आज सोदन जाला, गोंयकार आज हुशार जाला, गोंयकाराक आज खबर आसा, you can't be fooling Goans anymore. आम आदमी पार्टी गोंयांत आयली एक अल्टरनेटिव्ह पॉलिटिक्स दिवपाक, तो मॉडेल तांचो जो एक्सेप्टेबल गोंयांत जावना तेन्ना तांणी ट्वीक करपाक जाय आशिल्लो, and that was the best thing was to ally. I think that's the only fault that lies is not thinking of alliance. Other than alliance factor, I don't want to blame party that party is wrong. हे डिसिजन जे आसा ते म्हजेंच आसतलें, हांवें खंय वचप म्हणून. ऑफकोर्स हांव खंय तरी वतलो. 2-3 म्हयन्या भितर I will choose my best option, but it will be in consultation with people of Santa Cruz, Mershet, Chimula, आणि कालापुरा या 3 गावांनी.
We deduce one thing, that you are not inclined towards joining BJP, or even that option is open.
See, my idea is to give an MLA to Santa Cruz for the first time who they will look upon.
All options are open.
Everything and anything in this world is open for Amit Palekar to decide on.